Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is relearning, the science and art of energy alignment. Ladies and gentlemen, human life is often described as a journey of learning, yet lived experience reveals a deeper truth. Learning alone is insufficient for harmony, sustainability, and wisdom. Life unfolds through a continuous rhythm of learning, unlearning, and relearning. When this rhythm is disturbed, accumulation replaces understanding, progress loses direction, and intelligence operates without alignment. Relearning is not regression, it is recalibration. It is the conscious return to balance, aligning knowledge with truth, action with righteousness, and human effort with the larger cosmic order. To truly understand relearning, one must first appreciate how learning itself shapes the human system. Modern neuroscience establishes that learning reshapes the brain by forming and strengthening neural pathways and memory circuits. Repetition, emotion, attention, and lived experience wire patterns that govern perception, belief, and behavior. These pathways become efficient and deeply embedded. Importantly, learning continues throughout life. The human brain remains plastic, capable of change at every stage of existence. Yet this very efficiency becomes the central challenge of unlearning. Unlearning does not imply simple erasure. Existing neural pathways resist dissolution. The brain favors familiarity even when familiarity no longer serves balance, truth, or well-being. To override earlier learning, new and superior neural circuits must be formed, repeatedly reinforced, and energetically sustained. Only then does unlearning occur in a meaningful way. This is why the phrase learn, unlearn, relearn appears simple, yet proves profoundly difficult in practice. The present human condition, marked by imbalance, conflict, and exhaustion, reflects not a lack of intelligence but the immense difficulty of releasing deeply conditioned patterns at both individual and collective levels. Every genuine act of relearning, therefore, begins with awareness. Awareness enables recognition of misalignment. Reflection allows identification of what must be released. Additional knowledge offers contrast and direction. Without awareness, effort becomes mechanical. Without clarity, change becomes misdirected. Yet, awareness alone is insufficient. Relearning is an energy-intensive process. To dismantle entrenched neural circuits and construct wiser ones requires sustained and coherent energy. This energy can arise only when the 5 human energy dynamos operate in synchrony: physical vitality, mental clarity, emotional balance, spiritual connectedness, and aspirational purpose. When even one of these remains misaligned, the human energy grid weakens and relearning becomes fragmented or unsustainable. What's the way forward? Sustainable relearning becomes possible only when energy is replenished at its source. Through awareness, elevated consciousness, alignment, and communion with divine cosmic intelligence, the human system reconnects with its original design. In this communion, guidance emerges naturally, not as force but as clarity. Duty and righteousness reveal themselves in harmony with cosmic order. In this aligned state, the inner compass recalibrates. The inner sun begins to shine, illuminating pathways previously obscured by conditioning and noise. Additional energy flows through resonance, manifesting as insight, direction, wisdom, and subtle inner support. This infused energy empowers the mind to reconfigure neural pathways, enabling unlearning to occur, space to open for renewal, and fresh learning to emerge as wisdom rather than mere information. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, relearning thus becomes a lifelong sacred process, allowing each soul to receive energy, generate energy, and share energy in contribution to the cosmic energy field. This timeless truth finds profound expression in the revealed words of Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita. One must elevate oneself through the self and not degrade oneself. The mind can be one's greatest friend or one's greatest adversary. This teaching captures the very heart of relearning. Transformation is not imposed from outside. It arises from conscious inner alignment. When the mind is guided by awareness, energized by alignment, and illuminated by divine intelligence, it becomes an ally in evolution rather than an obstacle. Learning gives knowledge. Unlearning restores humility. Relearning brings wisdom. In this alignment, human life fulfills its deeper purpose, not merely to exist, but to resonate, recalibrate, and contribute in harmony with the cosmic order. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.